Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Together. Today we will start chapter 5 in science class 9th. This is the first chapter of biology class 9th. Title of the chapter is The Fundamental Unit of Life. Let's begin. Fundamental unit of life is what? Cell. Cell is the fundamental unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the living organism. We can compare with a building, like bricks are assembled to build building, same cells are assembled to make the body of the living organism. That's why cell is called the structural unit of living organism. And it is also called the functional unit of living organism. It means so many functions are performed by the cell, like respiration, excretion, reproduction. It occurs with the help of the cells. That's why cell is called the structural and functional unit of living organism. Who discovered the cell? किसी ने तो देखा होगा first time cell को. Who discovered it? Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. He examined the thin slice of cork and he saw the thin slice of cork with the help of his own design microscope. And he saw that it looked like honeycomb consisting of many little compartments. जब रॉबर्ट हुक ने देखा उसे तो देयर आर सो मेनी लिटिल कंपार्टमेंट्स, बहुत सारे लिटिल कंपार्टमेंट्स थे उसमें. एंड ही नेम्ड इट सेल. सेल मीन्स व्हाट? अ लिटिल रूम. दिस इज द लैटिन वर्ड सेलुला, अ लिटिल रूम. दैट्स व्हाई ही नेम्ड सेल. इस रीजन से रॉबर्ट हुक ने इसका नाम रखा सेल. एंड आफ्टर दैट in 1674, Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered living cells in pond water. He discovered sperm. Robert Brown discovered nucleus in plant. Slaughter and Swan gave the cell theory that all organisms are composed of cells. After that, Virchow presented the idea that all cells arise from pre-existing cells only. With the help of the cell division, जो भी cells arise होते हैं वो cell division से cells arise होते हैं. That's why he gave the idea that all cells arise from pre-existing cells only. We can see the structure of the cell with the help of this activity. So first we have to take an onion, peel the epidermis layer of the onion और उसके बाद उस layer को रखना है glass slide पे and put the water and put the saffron in solution and then transfer the peel of the onion and observe the onion. Then we will see that structure of cell like this way. This one is the structure of the cell. जो डायग्राम में दिख रहा है वैसा स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलेगा. पहले अनियन बल्ब लिया, उसका एपिडर्मिस को पील करना है, उसके बाद ग्लास स्लाइड पे रखो, वाटर रखना है उसमें, देन पुट द सैफरन इन सॉल्यूशन एंड देन ट्रांसफर द peel of the onion and cover it and then observe, see with the help of the microscope, and then we will see the structure of the cell like this way. Same, take the peel of the plant, glass slide पे रखना है, then put the water and then transfer the peel of the plant and then put the saffron in solution and observe with the help of the microscope. Then we will see the structure of the cell like this way. जिस टाइप से डायग्राम में दे रखा है उस टाइप का स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलेगा. Human body is composed of more than 200 different kinds of cells. There are various cells in human body. See, blood cells. This one is the structure of the blood cells present in the human body. Bone cell, muscle cells, neuron cell, ovum, fat cell, sperm. And they have different functions. Organisms are divided on the basis of the numbers of cells. Living organisms को हम divide करते हैं on the basis of numbers of cells. Unicellular organisms. Unicellular means, uni means one. It means it is single celled organism. इस टाइप के organism में only one cell है and all functions performed by single cell. जो भी function होता है, nutrition, respiration, growth and reproduction, सारे functions perform होते हैं by only one cell. तो such type of organism is called unicellular organism. Example, amoeba, bacteria, paramecium. Egg is an unicellular. Multicellular organisms, multi means many, so it is made up of number of cells. Different cells perform different functions. For examples, human, trees, animals. अभी हमने जैसे डायग्राम में देखा that human beings, body of the human beings are made of so many different types of cells, various kinds of cells. Like see, blood cells, bone cells, muscle cells, neuron cell, ovum, fat cell, sperm, और इसके different functions है. They have different functions to perform. Now see the structure of the cell. See, this one is the outer covering of the cell. Outer covering of the cell is called cell membrane, plasma membrane or plasma lemma. It is the boundary of each cell which separates the cytoplasm from surrounding. See, cytoplasm, jelly-like structure is present here outside the nucleus. This is called cytoplasm and cell organelles float in this cytoplasm. And here, jelly-like structure is also present in nucleus. This one is the nucleus. Protoplasm includes cytoplasm and nucleus. See, protoplasm includes cytoplasm and nucleus, and cytoplasm is present outside the nucleus. See here, cytoplasm is present here. Cell organelles are engulfed in a gel-like substance called cytosol and collective known as cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm. It helps to float the cell organelles. आगे जाके हमें पढ़ना है cell organelles के बारे में. Like see, our body is made up of so many organs. So same cell is also made up of so many organs, and these organs are called cell organelles. It is selectively permeable in nature. It means it allows some minerals in and out of the cell. सभी को मतलब selective minerals को ही enter करने के लिए allow करता है, exit करने के लिए allow करता है. That's why it is called selectively permeable. It is flexible and can be folded, broken. It is made up of, it's very important, it is made up of proteins and lipids. That's why it is flexible and can be folded. Today we discussed about the cell, that what is cell, why is it called the structural and functional unit of life, who discovered the cell, about the cell theory and cell membrane. Different types of cells are present in human body, and how can we see the structure of the cell with the help of the activity. In the next part, we will continue the further discussion of this chapter. Thank you. Have a good one.